Am I live? Am I live? I think I'm live. I hope I'm live. Are we live? Is my mic working? My mic is working. Hell yeah. It's a little bit unbalanced. Let me fix that real quickly. Huzzah! I think we're good now. Yeah, we're good. Okay. Says it's live. Says we're grooving. Yeah, we're live. We're grooving. Okay, cool. Hey. How's it going? This one's going to be a relatively short, chill stream. Nothing crazy, but I'll explain myself before I go too on, and then we can go from there. So basically what my current issue is that if we do something like tab new, so I really want to do game development stuff, right? My issue is just that I find GD script actually painful. It is, like significant white space that is strict to me is so incredibly frustrating to the point that it's like I legitimately have issues coping. I have errors coping, yes. My brain fucking errors with it. And so now what most normal people would do is they would probably just be like, oh, I'll just learn it, get used to it, and move on from there. You see, my main thing is that I'm a stubborn asshole, so I'm going to fix that by making what I'm going to call GD Script++. And that's mostly just a joke. But give me just a second to fill this water bottle. There we are. Awesome. But so what I basically want to do is I just want to fix a few very small issues, right? Let me just reply to this one tiny message. I apologize. Let's see. Okay, so sorry about that. So from here, so basically, I don't have many complaints, right? Like I genuinely don't have many complaints. Most of it I'm pretty okay with. My main issue is just that the white space constantly bothers me, and with myself wanting to take more of like a quick, scratchy, just hammer it out thing to coding, it's something I don't like. So what I want to do instead is basically all I want to do is I want to create a little parsing thing where what I do is I just basically I can write it with like this and then get rid of this like so. That'll do its thing, and then I basically pass it through a C++ filter, and then it'll just convert that into that, and then that's basically it. And then it'll also ignore all these tabs here, and it'll format them properly, so everything is just a tab that's formatted, and I don't have to fucking worry about it. Because, like, I've definitely ranted about this before, so this isn't new, to be very clear, but the long story short is that what bothers me so much about significant white space is it's not something you can actively, like, review, right? So, like, as an example, if, like, at some point, for some reason, you do spaces instead of tabs, guess whose program just shits the bed, right? Like, it genuinely breaks, like, not like I would say my brain, because it doesn't break my brain, but it's, like, it's a very uncomfortable thing to try and measure what you're doing off of, like, white space. It's just so incredibly silly, is a way to put it in my brain, right? So, yeah, that's basically what I want to do. My intentions outside that are not to do anything else. My intentions are to basically, after that, just, yeah, again, like just clean, easy, just, pass it in, pass it out, whatever, right? So, that's what this is going to be. So, basically what my plans are is, so basically this will be a CLI tool that you can call. Basically, the first one is that I want to take in args, right? So one flag that I want to be is I just want to be recursive. Recursive, basically all subdirectories. Because I don't see why I should have to go for that. And then I think I'm going to do a -R for replace. So the idea is, lowercase dash r is just, do everything. Capital R is going to be, like just replace all the GDPP files, godot plus plus, with just, GD whatever, right? And I think that's basically all I would want for flags, honestly. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I don't think there is. Honestly, I don't even really want the replace one, because if I do the replace, that's just going to be annoying. So then basically all it would be is like if basically this is me just talking out loud to have fun, right? So basically it's like if I forget how to access the whole thing. If like args c is, how do I want to do this again? I actually haven't played with C++ in a while. I know how to, like, not I know how to. I have read arguments from a command line before, but I completely forget what the thing is. Let's see. So let's see. Argc is an integer that contains the current amount of arguments that follow an argv. The argc parameter is always greater than r equal to 1. The array of a null terminated string represents a line of that's pretty basic for the most part. Returning void for main. Yep, cool. That's awesome. See, what I want to do is I just want to simply read how to do more than one. If dashing is passed into the exe, display a numbered listing of environments. Sorry, I should drag this over so you guys have to see what I'm seeing. So, I'm just going through this basically. I'll also make this full screen because, like, why not? Bring back the frickin'. I'm going to close Chrome as well. But yeah, so now that we're here, so that isn't super clear to me. Because I get argc should probably be just the thing. Yeah, argc is the number of arguments passed to your program when it was run. It is at least 1. Okay. So I'll probably just char out that or whatever, you know what I mean? Char arg colon whatever. This is pointer to char asterisk, which alternatively we can call this that, which means an array of character pointers. This is an array of C-style pointers. Basic example, so let's see. So, okay, yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna iterate through it. So let's see, for, I'm just gonna boomer this for int I is equal to 0 while, don't know why I typed the while there. While I is less than argc. I then want to do, what is it that I'm thinking of? I then want to do, plus plus I, which I'm going to like this. And then, for now, because I'm lazy, I'm just going to see out everything. So I'm just going to go frickin' pound, include, and then I want us to include, standard IO, I think it is. Isn't it standard IO? It's STIO, right? .h. It's standard IO, isn't it, for cout? Am I absolutely tripping nuts? Let's see, cout C++. I could swear it was standard IO. I could swear it was standard IO. Oh, IO stream, I think. Yeah, okay, I was close. I was close. I was so close. And now we have a problem. I somehow have all of these, but I don't have a single IO stream. What? Is this related to me playing with my Vulkan shit the other day? It's literally just IO stream. Okay. Now this has turned into an adventure. Let's see. So we're gonna go envim into tilde forward slash. Trying to think what it would be. The tilde forward slash would be just frickin'. Oh, that'd be forward slash ZSHRC, I think. Oh no, it'd be dot ZSHRC. Yeah, I think that. Yep, so then if I go down here... Yep, so I think all of this is going to be the issue. Whoops. So let's just comment all that out. I still want to put more Vulkan later. I just want to make sure this is good. Ooh my gosh. Source dot ZSHRC. Oh, you're still doing one. Let's see. Let's just go back down here. Oh, yep, I missed one. Whoopsies. Oh, wait, there's a lot more than one. How many did I miss? I guess enough. Alright, so let's save you. Let's quit out. We're gonna source that again. Run it. No things. There we are. Okay, so then now I should be able to just close that out. Yes, please close it. We're just gonna. I think I have to quit out of this, so we'll just do an X. Oh, why are we? Just force quit that. Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna do source just delete dot ZSHRC. I want to go back into there just for the funsies, and then yep, back in here, and then if we go here, we should go IO stream. That's incorrect. If that errors, that's cool. That doesn't need to be a thing, so then I just want to go like this. And I need to do a using namespace standard. Namespace standard? It's using namespace standard, isn't it? Using using? Is it just namespace standard? I completely forget. I am tripping sore today. An IO stream is not found. Fucking Christ. Okay, let's. I'm gonna quit you out because right now I have frickin' what do you call it? I have this open in the background. Does that say not work? Frickin' W all quit all bang. Okay. Okay, and then quittal. Cool, wait, that worked. Alright, let's frickin' nuke that one now. Get her out of here. Oh wait, now let's restart this terminal, because that should hopefully fix the instance. Force quit. And let's reload it. Hopefully that fixes it. Oh, you're a little bit tiny now. Okay, let's see. So then we're gonna go frickin' Control R. We're gonna go CD. Nope. Okay. Does it have GD++ in here? GD++. Yeah, it does. It does. Oops. 0204. Oh, I had it right the first time. I thought I mispressed there. Hey, it looks like it's happy now. Look at that. I managed to diagnose an issue, maybe. Include a header our stream is not used directly. Fix available. Isn't it using namespace? Yeah, it was using namespace. Okay, so it just broke before. I thought it was using namespace. I'm like, why am I imagining using namespace? Did I just like mentally like jinx myself into that or whatever? Whatever. Oh, I guess I should do argc. Argc. Okay, and then for that, we're just gonna go here. We're just gonna say cout. Whoop. Cout. Frickin'. Let's see. Arg is that. Let's see. Args. Args v. With the I. Oh wait, I want to do arg count. Arg. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do arg. Arg. I. Is that, and then I'm just gonna go. Do. End line. Whoops. End line. There we are. Okay, so now real quickly, if we frickin' bop out of that, I think, let's just save it to be safe. Quit. So currently in the directory, so we can go, oh no, it's gp++, ~/ main C++, and I want the out, or sorry, I want dash wall, and I want dash out to be ~/ test. Yeah, I guess that should work. That should work. I'm pretty sure. Oh, there was an issue with my freaking thing. Okay. nvim ~/ dot zsh or c. Let's see. It was home. It was HOEM. Homebrew dash include. Maybe that's why I've had so many issues with my frickin' files, and it just only ever errored now for whatever reason. Alright, let's quit that out. Let's go like that. Source boink. Let's try that again. Hey, look at that, it ran! Crazy that. Let's pop the end of them again. Alright, so now if we run... Oh, I should probably do just a test. So let's just run test. Okay. That makes me more confused, because I thought it was always equal to 1 or greater than or equal to 1 then. Let's see. I'm gonna do a cout, printing outputs, just to make sure something is wrong. Or not wrong, but, you know, like, is running. Alright, let's see. So we're just gonna go run that, whoop, okay. Gonna do ++, dash wall, wall, oh no, I need to do, freaking the / testing, / dot / whatever. And then I want to just do, main.cpp, and then I want to do wall, and I want to do -o to be, test. I'm pretty sure that's the same command. And that should run. Let's see. What did I screw up here? It might be because this was in the float term. It might have issues with that. It might not be having fun. Let us see, shall we? Damn, are you like really not just running? Okay, that took fucking forever. Next session, push forward, forward H, there we go. Okay, well, I guess I'll just quit out of you and just run the command again, because why not? Okay, and then let's run test. Oh, nothing around there. Oh, probably because I need to do / test. Yeah, that makes more sense. So, yeah, so the first argument is just, oh, okay, so the first argument is just the line, and that's why every argument after is a plus. Okay, I didn't know the file was being passed, and I didn't interpret it as that. So then, actually, no, I'll just do this. So then if I just do, like, you know, like, if I do, like, ~/ and I do, like, dash, or, you know, dash, and then dash L, Okay, so... Okay, this is making more sense. I think. Because it's saying, like, argument number is that, and then it's like, okay, dot. Okay. So, that makes complete sense to me now, because just basically per each space, just separate. So, wait, I just realized one more should test. So if we do something like this, whoops, let me do like this. If I didn't do like, you know, -t, and I do like that, the quotes will appear, right? Oh, the quotes are trimmed, okay. That is good to know. So if the quotes are trimmed, that's fine. So then, let's see, let's see. So I want to go cout. Let's see. Cout, and I want to do args c. And I want to do an inline. And then I also want to go frickin', where is it at? I then also want to go, args c is going to be equal to that. And then there's going to be args v. This is a v. I'll do this, actually. Because why not? So, that's pretty much exactly how it's expected to be, right? And then let's do a quick recompile of that. That should take like 2 seconds. Yep. And then we'll just do one more test. So argc is 9. So yeah, starts at 0. So it's just the, you know, it's not the array indexing. So it'll just tell you how many arguments there were passed. And then, so basically, okay, so this is all really simple then. It's just you just use the dash to basically, like, okay, this is a flag. And use the thing after as, like, each thing, right? Okay, that makes a ton of sense. Okay, that's dead easy. That is easy peasy. I've never really played too much with it. I've used it before, but I've never played with it. So, that's easy. So, let's see, so what I'll just do then real quickly is I will just very quickly say, let's see, I'm going to do a cout, let's see, inform the, actually I don't really need to inform the user, let's see, I will do an inform the user, inform the user if new, so let's see, so I'm just going to do exactly this, because I don't want to clash the commands, so my plan is going to be just like, okay, if any of them is equal to -h, then, like, who cares, just do it and move on, right? So let's see, so we'll do, let's see, we'll do, if, args, v, I'm trying to think, do I want args v dash I? I forget how it was before. Args v dash I is equal to -h, or args v is equal to dash help, because I'm not an asshole. I don't mind just combining the two. Then do cout. Let's see. Then I'll just type up, this is a simple program that will convert files passed into it to .gd files that will convert. I'm gonna do not .gd .gd++ files into GD files. Okay, what's the issue here? Oh, because I didn't do the I thing. Dash I. Whoops. There we are. It's passed into GD files. Then I'll do a \n. Then I'll just do a new line just to keep going with that. And I'll just do this actually. So like that, yeah. And then, because I want these all to be like, hey, they're the same line. Don't be silly. And then, if you wish to convert all within a directory, simply use the -r argument to do all files within said directory. Let's see, after, let's see, let's see, when using -r, it will replace all GD I'll replace all .gd files with the same name, period. This is a personal tool with a name used as a joke. Do not take as production ready or whatever. Lol. And then, you know what, screw it. Let's do tab dash volbyte. And then we'll just do a dash end line just for the prettiness of it. Whoops. And then we will simply return. We return a 0. There we go, like that. So now I just want to double check because I'm doing a loose type check, right? So it's like, where to go with this? So I'm gonna save it, or just save and quit. And then I'm gonna go up to here. I'm gonna recompile it. Let's see. So, okay, so that's being strict. Let's see. Result of comparison against string literals unspecified. You know, string comparison function said. W string compare. I've honestly never heard of this. Let's see what W string compares. Let's see what little adventure is going to take us on today. Okay, so I got to use freaking quotes. Let's see. I see getting downvoted. String up returns a single character and standard string. You're comparing a single character to a string literally, aka which is not a valid operation. You need to compare that to that instead. Okay, so they just want me to fucking go for it. That's boring though. Let's just freaking pop back in and just do a manual iteration, I guess. That took a minute to launch, goddamn. Let's see, so if that's the case, then I'll do if... I don't want to do that? Yeah, I think I'll do that. What I'll just do for int j is equal to 0, and I'll do while j is less than args v of I dot size with a function call. I want to do plus j. Whoops, plus j, and then do all that. And then let's create a thing here, which is like I'll do what is it? It is I guess I'll do a bool, because why not? I'll do a const bool, or not const bool. That doesn't make any sense. I'll do is underscore help underscore called, and I'll say that's equal to false. Okay, so I don't know how to get the frickin' length of a frickin' thing. Get length of array of characters. I'm so used to JavaScript that like all this is just like numb to me. It's like, oh yeah, fuck, I have to do like this. Size t, string length. Okay, so just, whoops, what the hell is even there? I forget, what's size t again? C++, size underscore t. Size t is commonly used for as array indexing, and whoa, I did not mean to do that. Thank you, Google. Fuck off. I guess we're going to the website, so we're not dealing with Google's bullshit there. Let's see. Let's see. So, where's the definition I was reading? Let's see notes. Standard IT consider the maximum size of theoretically possible object created in an array on many platforms. An exception is systems with segmented addressing, but that sounds weird. Standard size T can safely store the value of any non-member pointer, which in case is synonymous with standard dash unit pointer T. Standard dash T is commonly used for array indexing and loop counting. Programs that use other types, such as unsigned int, for array indexes may fail on, e.g., 64-bit systems where the index exceeds uint max, or if it relies on 32-bit arithmetic. Okay, so basically just to prevent, like, you know, going too far. Or over too far, but you know what I mean. Like, you know, it's basically a built-in overflow control. When indexing C++ containers, such as the appropriate type is the nested type size underscore type provided by such containers, and is usually defined as standard size T. Okay, so I don't think I have it because of that, so I'll just do let's see, I'll just do size underscore T, because I'm using standard, right? Yeah, I'm using standard. That's cool. Am I the late? I mean, a little bit, but this is honestly a chill stream. So it's like, hey, don't worry about it. Basically, all I'm doing right now is, so I just kind of hate standard GD script, and I want to play around with C++ more. So basically, I'm just converting a thing that I'll convert what I'm going to jokingly call GD++ into a GD file, and then there you go. Str length. And then I'm just doing args v of I. There we are. Let's see. So I guess I should maybe just do str length of args v of index I think? Would that be better? Yeah, I think that's better. But yeah, it's just a chill thing, just because, like, you know, this is supposed to be one of my stream days, right? So this is meant to be a little short one. That's just kind of like, oh yeah, we'll do it for like an hour or something, and then, you know, cruise off, just have a vibe, you know. Let's see. Let's see, and I'll do. I'm trying to think how to manually define this. So I do it would do a character. Array. Would that be how I want to do it? I'm trying to recall how to do any of this. God, I feel so bad because I used to know how to do this, but I'm just fucking spacing on it. Let's say my name says help underscore flags is going to be equal to. So the first one is going to be a dash H, and then the second one is going to be a dash help. Expected variable name this, or okay. So okay, that's actually something that's throwing me off completely. I don't know why I have to. I was expecting something else. That's weird. Let's C++. Array of characters with two predefined characters. Let's see, so so what are they saying here? You can use the standard string. Yeah, but I don't want to use standard string. Two-dimensional character array. Sure, that can work. It'll at least give you an idea. I guess you can just pop. Or push. Push works, I think. Yeah, I guess I'll just do push. Push, why not? I'll just do push. I'll just do push. Is an array. Does that know how to do it? Do I gotta do it over here? Like this? Okay, now I'm being thrown off. Let's see. Okay, C++, define, excuse me. Let's see, words in character array. Cause that should work. Because what I'm basically just looking for is like, hey, line, like word A is this, word B is that. I don't care much else about it. That is complete compressed garble. Okay, I guess we're just gonna fucking ask ChatGPT because Google's fucking, you know, I'll just do it this way, yeah. So I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna do, hey, working in C++, I want to make a character, frickin' array without importing anything, special. I simply want to make a predefined array of 2 character strings, quote \h and quote dash help. Let's try that one. Let's see how that one goes. Let's see what pops here. That looks all right. So const character pointer points to an array that specifies an array. Oh, because I'm using not the syntax for typing that. I see. I'm just gonna comment that out because that needs to be a thing. Whoops. Let's redo that. Oops, excuse me. Okay, there we are. There we go. So now, this is going to be a const character that points to help flags. And then help flags is an array, and I'm going to start that off by basically calling it with an array, saying, hey, -h, or dash help. And then basically all I'm going to say is just, hey. Didn't really think I care about that. And then basically all I'm going to do is I'm just going to say, hey, so for each one of these ones, iterate through the string, right? And so I'll say if, let's see, I'm just to say, let's see, word is going to be, not let, this would be, char, which points to word is going to be an array. The array is then going to instead be, say, help underscore flags. I guess I can just do it manually for each. Yeah, I guess why not? I'll just copy paste and be lazy. So let's see. So if args, let's see if args dot whatever. I'm just trying to think of how do I want to do this. Because this is checking. Oh wait, is it? No, yeah, it's because it's gonna check it for help. So then I just want to say. So down here, actually, I just realized this. I'll just clear this out instead. I'll move this one to just so let's see. I'll just say is underscore help underscore called is equal to 1 because that means true. I guess I could say true because why not? I'm trying to think how do I want to do this. You know, I think I'm gonna stop being a preppy bitch and just do fucking string equal. Is there a function to check if 2 string arrays are equal? Question mark. This would be good to know. Const C, C string. Const C, oh. If, string compare, strcmp. I don't know what I clicked on, so I'm gonna click off of that. So let's see. So that'll make my life a lot easier. Because it's gonna be per word. If, string, compare, so then this would be help underscore flags of 0 is equal to args v. of I, or trying to think of what else it would be. So just be simply that, actually. And then it'd be that just duplicated over. I should move this over because this makes my intention more clear and just easier to read. So let's see, if that or that, and then this is going to be not I, this is going to be O, and then this is going to be a 1. Nice and chill. Well, anyways, I guess to create some conversation, Ventura, how you doing? How's stuff going with you? Yeah, so if either that's true, then what I want to do is I just want to do, this. No actual function found for string comp. Okay, that's fine, because I just want to do pound, include, let's see, C string. I included it. Let's see, what am I missing here? What do you say? Stuff is the goodness? Heck yeah. I know this isn't a super thrilling stream, but I mean, like, hey, it's just a chill one, you know? Just kind of cruising. Let's see, so... Let's see, Con's character, star all, blah, 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 blah. So it's saying C string, but my issue is... Oh, I see, so string comp AB is not equal to 0. I think I just forgot to include the argument. Yep, I did. Is not, equals, or I guess not equals, 0 works. I'll say here, same thing, which is going to be not equal to 0. No function found called string comp. Okay. String compare. Let's see, strcmp C++. Oh, I've looked this up before, apparently. Neat. Been a hot minute. Let's see. String just to be compared. Oh, so this is apparently string.h. Well, I guess we're using strings now. String.h. Here we are. Well, fuck it. We'll make strings. We'll make a pointer to a string array. Because strings are something like that, right? Because if I want to go here, then I just want to go frickin'... God, I forget to do anything with strings in C++. I really need to, like, smash some LeetCode out with this shit. Because this is just kind of sad. Let's see, C++, working with, strings. Because I can do this shit in JavaScript in, like, 2 seconds, but I refuse to use JavaScript for this. Yeah, so it's just string name and that. Yeah, okay, so... Let's see, string, help underscore short is going to be equal to just, you know, dash h. And then just, you know, string, help underscore long is going to be equal to dash help. There we are. And I'm just going to say here, hey, what if you're potentially equal to, help underscore short, or you're comparable to help underscore long. No, I can call for string comp. strcmp, right? strcmp. Let's see, strings, strcmp. Am I not including 2 arguments? Oh, because I don't do equal, I do fucking the comma. No matching function call for string comp. Okay, that's still weird though. I'm genuinely a little surprised that this is doing the thing like this. Just show me an example. Volv, the screen frozen. Is this frozen? Oh, it is what the fuck is happening with OBS? OBS has been so weird lately, and it's just been, like, breaking and shit for, like, no good reason. It is so frustrating. I almost need to make, like, a technicals difficulty. Yeah, see, now I'm tiny. Why the fuck am I tiny? What the fuck? Just genuinely, what the fuck? I'm like, I wouldn't even be upset if it was consistent, but it just happens. It's just like, why? What happened with you? Who hurt you? I don't think it was me. I'm not normally that hurtful. Like, oh my god, it's just so fucking annoying. Tiny Volbite confirmed exactly. OBS is just trying to share the truth that, like, you all can't comprehend. This is some brain explosions. Let's see. Let's just go fucking... Can I, like, refresh a capture instead of having to, like, go off and back on again? Can I just do this? Is there, like, a deactivate when... There literally is a restart capture button. Okay, that's cool. I don't know what that's about, man. That's fucking stupid. It's like just stir CMP, and then string 1, string 2. That is so odd. What is happening? No matching function call for stir CMP. Is this just like a thing that I can't do? Like if I do like a stir CMP, what if I just do this? Expected expression. What are you? The cost is throwing me off, but like that should work, shouldn't it? Function type for cost, cast type or singleton. Okay, that's odd. So it wants to be just passed as a thing. Const string string expected expression. Yeah, that's const string. What the fuck is happening with this? What is happening with this? Because they're just saying stir CMP, right? And I just defined it as that and that. Okay, you know what? We're going back to the old ways, I guess. Char, which points to a character array. Car. Hey, check it out. Is it because of the... Whoa, did not mean to do that. It was the asterisk. Cool. Oh, look at that. Suddenly he's all happy. That's fucking crazy. That's fucking wacko. Let's see. Let's try to recompile that. And let's try to do the test very quickly. Okay, what if I had a dash H? Oh, not working. Okay, that's cool. Alright, well, let's try and fix that out now because I got fucking issues. So what if I then say is equal to 0? What I'll do is I'll just do I'll do C out. I'll do comparing. Oops. Because I'll remove this later, right? This is gonna be like a thing. Comparing help underscore short space 2. And then I'm gonna do args v of 0. I'll just copy paste and let's go like yoink. Oh wait, that should be dash I. Hold on a fucking second. Hold on a fucking second. I made a oopsie doodle. There we go, that should be better. Whoops. Wrong thing. Okay, I didn't recompile, so that doesn't do me anything. Boink. Comparing dash h to that. Yeah, comparing that to that to that to that. Comparing that to that. Okay, so I did get it here. I don't know why there's this frickin' percent symbol here. You know, I'm just gonna format that quickly because that's just a pain in the ass to read. Isn't it a bit of a pain in the ass to read? I think it's a bit of a pain in the ass to read. Let's just fix that. And I'll use I could just do a \n, but fuck it. There's probably some legacy ass reason to like not do that. Alright, so okay, so it should pass. So if it should pass, then what the hell? Wait, one should be as if they're true. So yeah, so that should mean that if I do this now, if I recompile this and then I run that, that should print out the thing, but it isn't. Because you can see it's comparing... Okay, it's comparing it twice, which is weird. But that honestly shouldn't matter, because I have a dash H set up anyways. Help short, help long. Oh, because I didn't rename it here, that's why. Long. There we go. But, yeah, no, that doesn't fucking matter, because we're doing args v, args v. And it does return one if true, right? Like, I'm not going fucking crazy. Fortnite Battle Pass in my ass, booted up my PC because I need the Fortnite Battle Pass. Fair enough. I think I played it for like 5 minutes semi-recently, got like the wolf dude, hit like plat 3 and like Fortnite ranked, whatever it is, and then like immediately moved on, just stopped caring, I think. I think that's what happened. It's fun like that. I'm very weird like that. I actually don't even know. Did a new season come out? Or are we still on like the like gambling wolf or whatever? The mob boss wolf. I have no fucking idea. I pay no attention to the Fortnite. it's a very odd thing. You think? I mean, I could probably just Google it for 2 seconds and just see. That'd probably save time. Fortnite, yeah, I used to grind Fortnite, but I barely know shit about it anymore, lol. Yeah, that's fair enough. I mean, for me, it's just basically, like, I just have a few people in my life who play it, so it's kind of like, okay, is there just, like, a tab for the Battle Pass, so I can see that? Battle Pass. Alright, yeah, still the same season. Neat. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. This is so weird, though. I'm just gonna say here. I guess let's do frickin' result is gonna be. Just whatever, string compare, let's see, help underscore short, help underscore short to, args, v of I, we'll see, yank paste that, delete, ft, long, ft, long. There we are. Alright, so now I can frickin' poke at each one of these. One more. Now I got the recompile. Now we gotta run the test. Excuse me, -1, -1, -10, -10, negative. Okay, so it's 0 if it's equal. That's not what I was expecting. It must be like degrees of off or something. So it's 0. Okay, that's really not what I was expecting, honestly, from that, but sure, I'll take it, I guess. So let's recompile, get the test. Okay, so it is return the result of 0 now, I think. Terraria pre-hard mode because, like, giant eye and brain go slime furry worm. What? 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 What happened? Yeah, I might need to go like this. See, I might just be happy. So let's do this. See out. Because it should work. Endel. I just want to make sure. Match found. Alright, let's quit out of here. And then I should just compile all these in like one big bunch. Okay, so I did find the match. It's just unhappy for some reason. Why are you unhappy? Excuse you? What the fuck am I overlooking? It's gonna be something obvious. It's gonna make me feel bad. Oh, yeah, because I have fucking help phone. Yeah, that makes sense. Fucking dumbass. Me being the dumbass, to be very clear. I'm not insulting anyone there. That's just like, oh yeah, fucking no shit. Help! Okay, let's do that. There's that. Let's see. Basic, rules. Let's see. I'm gonna go like this. Do not, separate. Sorry, I'm just gonna say only separate with, only separate files with a space. Don't mix and match if you want to do specific files in a location, then a whole directory, just do them separate. And then here I'm just going to simply add no LSP support or anything like that, because I am very, very lazy. Lol. Let's see. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so there's all that. Let's go. Alright, and then if we just quit out of there, okay, you know, I'm gonna do the change that I want to see. I want to go frickin', just give me the G++ one first. Then I'm just gonna go like that. I'm gonna go frickin' like this. Yoink. Paste. Boink. I'm gonna go like 200. Whoops. 200. Then I'm gonna go like that. Then I'm gonna go, I guess let's do that, because I can do envim for the other one. Okay, hopefully this works. That's the hope for now. Oh. How the heck is my no big huh? No big. Did this not run again? What the fuck? Pause error near that. Why is the double freaking blank doing something? Is that just tripping the fucking balls out of the system? Unused variable. Yeah, I should probably fix that. Let's see. Boink. There's that. Okay, one more time because I'm stupid. Let's see how this goes. Okay, that's cool. So it works. I should definitely be using the end line though for that. So let's fix that real quickly. So let's go main.cpp. And then, yeah, I just want to go... I guess I could use a \n or whatever. Whatever. I'm being inconsistent with my own logic. Whoop. \n. What type of music you like, Ventura? Oh, sorry, I didn't realize you sent messages. I'm sorry. That's an accident on my behalf. Let's see. Your neighbor's got a new audio system. They are blasting music in the middle of the fucking night. Like, turn it down. Yeah, it sounds fun. The general quiet time, I think, is supposed to be like 10 or 11 for most places, so they're having fun. I don't know. Give them one night if they just got it, and then after that, then like, yeah. Okay. So what I can then do now is I can just simply trim the fat on all that, where I don't need to like print all this. I'll just comment that out for debugging purposes. Let's see. So I guess I'll just do a freaking \n and all that. Cause why not? Let's see. Yep, that makes sense. Okay, yeah. I think I'm just gonna pause here and chill. Because being real is, I'm just kind of burnt out after that big stream yesterday. I spent a lot of the day sleeping, not gonna lie. Really fucked myself over. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna cruise. Just a casual little stream to say, hey, what up? You know, keep the pattern going. What I will actually add real quickly is if we hop over here, what I want to share is, I forgot that was my thumbnail for a second. What I wanted to share very quickly was just, you like the goofy ass thumbnail for the stream, just Volbate saying "fuck you" to the godot lol. Yeah, that's how I feel about the significant white space. That's like that is how much that is my expression with that. What I was gonna say is, hey, vote on the poll. TLDR is I'm thinking of doing like mini reviews of games that I play on stream, like just like fit into like a short, but you get the idea. But yeah, so there's that. Hey, thanks for swinging by, Ventura. And yeah. I'll catch y'all probably tomorrow for something either this, but with me actually awake for it, or me with something more interesting. A or B. I might do something. We'll figure it out. Anyways, yeah. Yeah. Thanks again, Ventura. I know you said no problem, but I was gonna say thank you twice. And yeah, catch you later. Good luck with your Fortnite. Get them fucking dubs or whatever game you're gonna play. Yeah. Catch you later in the server or whatever the heck. Bye.